Tax refund update. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's update, we have the latest numbers on the amount of tax returns, amended tax returns still waiting to be processed. We have some good news, and unfortunately, we have some bad news. We also have the latest stats on the tax filing season. We are going to go over that data. The IRS has updated that information as of October. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. But before we begin with any of that, make sure you're checking out the income tax refund playlist and the child tax credit playlist pin in the comment section, as well as in the description box for all of your updates and loads of helpful tutorials like tips to speak with the IRS, how to schedule an in-person appointment, and how to verify your identity. Let's go ahead and get started. This information is being shared from irs.gov. Where is your tax refund? We are starting with last week's update, October 29th. At that time, there was an increase of 9 million on processed individual tax returns. And if you check out the last video, that was due to the tax filing extension. Now, the good news for this week's update, November 5th, 2021, there is a decrease to 6.8 million on processed individual tax returns, and that includes tax year 2020 returns with errors and those that require special handling and correction due to the recovery rebate credit or validation of the 2019 income used to figure your earned income tax credit and your additional child tax credit. So as you can see, the good news is that there was a nice decrease this week. Let us know in the comment section if you did indeed receive your tax refund this week. Now, where is your amended tax return? Now we have the bad news. In terms of the amended tax return, last week there was 2.6 million on process forms 1040X, and sadly this week, as of October 30th, 2021, that number has increased again back up to 2.7 million on process forms 1040X. If you check out the last video, that number was standstill at 2.7 million on process amended tax returns for several weeks, and I guess due to the tax filing extension, it has unfortunately increased again. Now remember, the IRS is reporting that it's taking them 20 weeks instead of the normal 16 weeks to process your amended tax returns. Now, for the amount of tax returns requiring special handling, the IRS is reporting a decrease. Last week, October 23rd, they had 514,000 of those returns, and this week they have 321,000 individual returns that needs special handling and correction due to the various credits. All right, so they are making progress with those more difficult tax returns. Now, what is the best and fastest way for you to get information on your amended tax return? That is to check the Where is my amended return tool on the irs.gov website. They also have an automated number for amended tax returns, and that number is 866-464-2050. You can call that number for status on your amended return if you're unable to get anything on the website. Now, when is the best time to check for status on your amended tax return? The IRS updates once a day, usually at night, so you can check for updates daily, and that also applies to the tax refund, the regular tax refund. you can check the Where is My Refund tool daily. Those tools are updated once a day, usually in the evening time. All right. Now, here are some more detailed reasons why your amended tax returns may still be delayed. It may need routing to a specialized area. It may need clearance by the bankruptcy area within the IRS, or review and approval by a revenue office, or review of an appeal, or a requested reconsideration of an IRS decision. The IRS will contact you whenever they need more information, so make sure you're checking your mail for correspondence and make sure you're responding as quickly as possible. All right. Now, here is the filing season stats for the week ending October 22nd, 2021. The IRS is reporting the total returns received increased from 2020 to 2021. There was a 0.8 increase. Total returns process from 2020 to 2021, there was an increase of 3.9. E-filing receipts or returns by tax professional increased to 5.3. That was an increase of 5.3. And the amount of people filing their taxes themselves decreased. That was a negative of a 6.4. And the amount of people going to the irs.gov website increased to 18.9%, and that is due to the tax filing season delay and the amount of people continuously checking the website to check for updates. Now, in terms of total refunds, there was an increase of 14.7 this year. That is an increase from 2020. The average refund through mail was $2,495 in 2020. It increased this year to $2,775, which is an increase of 11.2%. Now, the average refunds by direct deposit, there was an increase of 21.4% process. The average refund went from $2,592 in 2020 to an increase of $2,851 this year, which is a 10% increase. Let us know in the comments if you did receive an increase in your tax refund this year compared to 2020. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that bell to come back for all of your tax refund updates, stimulus updates. Make sure you're checking out the Motivational Monday playlist to get your Monday motivation and encouragement, and check out the playlist on how you can get your credit report free from all 3 major credit bureaus. And I hope your tax refund is on the way, and I will see every one of you again very, very soon.